My name is Rishabh Tiwari from class 9th C. From class 9th C in Sri Sankara Senior Secondary School. Today's my presentation topic is layers of Earth. The atmosphere can be defined as the blanket of gases in surface of planet the Earth. The Earth is the mixture of gases surrounded the planet. The atmosphere mainly contain five layers of Earth. First troposphere. Yeah. Second is stratosphere. Third is mesosphere. Fourth is thermosphere. And fifth is exosphere. First is troposphere. Troposphere is the first layer of the Earth. The very cold appear in this layer because 99% of water vapor present in this layer. The second layer is stratosphere. Stratosphere is uh, the next layer of is stratosphere. Stratosphere extend up to 35 kilometer, extend up to ground level. The ozone layer present in this layer, ozone layer present in this layer, and 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 ultraviolet rays from the sun in absorb stratosphere. The third is mesosphere. Mesosphere come to stratosphere. Mesosphere is extend up to 85 kilometers in ground level. The most bonds bound in this layer. The fourth layer is thermosphere. Thermosphere is come after the mesosphere. Thermosphere is protect earth in x-ray and ultraviolet rays from coming the sun absorb in thermosphere. The last layer is exosphere. Exosphere contain the last layer. Atmosphere 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 exosphere is contain mainly last layer because the loosely reflects to the atmosphere.